Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and thanks to this conditioner my hair looks super shiny and silky. This is the Sebastian Dark Oil Lightweight Conditioner infused with jojoba oil and argan oil. This one is in the travel size and it has a beautiful scent that leaves the hair smelling the same even after blow drying it. I love the size. It comes in a travel size, so it's easy to carry in your purse. And at the same time, it has a good amount of conditioner, so I love that. To use the conditioner, I like to divide my hair in half and then I apply just a little bit of conditioner on each side and then detangle the hair. After blow drying it, it looks shiny and moisturized and smells good. So if you are looking for a good conditioner that comes in a travel size, I highly recommend this one. This is the Sebastian Dark Oil Lightweight Conditioner infused with jojoba oil and argan oil, travel size. Highly recommended 100%. And that's my point of view.